Truffles are a rare delicacy and only found seasonally in certain parts of the world. Cerretto Langhe is one of those places. We got to venture on a truffle hunt excursion on the grounds of the luxury hotel Casa di Langa. The hunt in this area of the world relies on an adorable Italian breed of dog called Lagotto Romagnolo. Bianca, a sweet 3-year-old, with her handler Daniele, led us on an adventure into the forest for Piedmontese truffles. Once deeper into the area, Bianca is let off leash. We learn that at birth, these puppies are placed on their mother's chests next to a truffle, therefore developing a strong sense of smell for them. Once the dog smells a truffle, it begins to dig for it. The handler has to quickly get the truffle right away before the dog damages the surface, which lessens its value. When Bianca finds a truffle, it's rewarded like any dog that performs well, with a treat. Bianca found one after another. White truffles are rarer than black truffles, and big truffles are more valuable than small truffles. We had a successful hunt. We found 5 black and 2 white, and 2 of the black were quite large. We got to enjoy black truffles with our dinner that night. What a treat!